Hey, what's up guys? RC Pilot 1013 here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the 1/16 scale Traxxas Ken Block rally car. This thing's pretty fast and really fun to drive. Let's just start off here with the body. Sorry, it's kind of beat up. I've had this car for a while and put it through its paces. But this body here, it is licensed. So that's really scale. The says here it goes 30 miles an hour out of the box and 50 miles an hour all out with 2 batteries in it. But you got to get one of these connectors here. Is whatever you want to call it. I call it like a speed connector. Makes it go faster and longer drive times. Everything in here is waterproof. I'll go ahead and show you guys. Everything in here is waterproof. All the electronics, servos, motor, everything. 4-wheel drive. Got some nice suspension right here. Just overall, it's a nice car. Now there's the stock tires that come with it are not these. It's kind of like drifting tires, but they're rubber. I don't use those. I went ahead and bought some of these just for regular driving. They actually have traction. That's for you to reach those high speeds that you want to get. So it's got a Millennium 380 motor in there. Says it's the largest in its class, and it comes ready to race with the Traxxas 2.4 gigahertz technology. That's what you get right there. Okay, now the battery is this right here. It's a Traxxas power cell, 7.2 volt, 1200 milliamp, nickel metal hydride, 6 cell. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you only get one with the car here. But I have a few of them. You got your battery compartments in here, right in there. See, servos. You got two places to mount your servo on here. Go ahead and give you a look at the underside here. Again, I'm really sorry. It's all scratched up. It's not a brand new car, but you know, shows I'm having fun with it. Alright guys, well I'll probably get some video of me driving it down my street here, and I'll try to get it going 50 miles an hour for you guys. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.